I'm gonna do a sound test just now to show you guys the quality from now with the stock stereo system and speakers to when I install the new ones. So that's a little taste of the stock stereo system and speakers. Let's get to installing the new speakers. Alright, so what we're going to do today is install these speakers. I picked up 6.5s. So here's what we're going to need. A little flathead, a Phillips, and something to pry on the side of the door to get into this jam. All there are two Phillips screws. There's one right here by the handle and one inside the door. I don't know what you would call it, but inside there. So take your flathead, pop it open. There's your Phillips. The other one's right down in here. There you go. Alright, now that this is behind the door trim, take it, kind of gently pull this plastic trim off. Let me take a little bit. There we go. And then just follow. And take this, follow it all the way around, make sure you unpop all the little plastic pieces from the door. There you go. I think there's some on this side. Yeah, there's one right here. I can feel it. Alright, now that everything's off, I'm not gonna take the door panel off. No need. Only 3 Phillips. Top, bottom left, and bottom right. Just the Phillips, remove those screws, and we're back. Now that all the 3 screws are removed, just unclip the speaker from the harness, and it should just come right out. Look at that junk. Let me see. Look at that junk. Paper. Alright, so here's a new speaker. That's an old piece of junk. On here, I gotta do some wiring. So I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna do with the old harness to make that fit onto these 2 tabs. Alright, so what we're gonna do is take this harness. Find my dikes. We're gonna take the harness, take the dikes, cut these wires. Boom, easy. And we're gonna take this sleeve, cut it back a little bit further. Perfect. So I'm gonna cut that away. Make sure I have to cut the wire. And take your crimpers. These are crimpers with cutters on there. Put them in. Take it. Boom, gone. Cut. Next one. I think I put it in the wrong slot. Yeah. Didn't cut it fully. Boom, gone. Cake. Bought some wire. Alright? Don't need that much. Probably a good foot. Probably less, honestly. Cut 2 pieces. 1. Boom. So your other one. It's tangled, of course. It's nowhere close to what I cut, but that's good enough. Same thing. Take your wire and your crimpers with the splicers in it. Cut some of the plastic away, the coating on it. Perfect. Boom. Don't need too much wire exposed, just enough for when you go and crimp. So there's the one. Take your wire, put it into one side, boom. It's gonna meet halfway, and then you just crimp it. Same thing on this, just repeat it. I'm gonna start with the harness first. Put everything down real quick. I like to twist them also, just so the wires don't go missing inside this crimp, or this butt connector. So put it in, boom, it's inside, 22 to 18. Crimp down on it, get a good squeeze. Give it a tug, boom. Not going anywhere. Take your wire, put it on the inside. This has got a hair, it's frayed off. Take it, boom. Put it on the inside, perfect, money. I'm alrighty, this is messing me up, This might go out of frame. One second. Money. Not going anywhere. Same thing. Take your other piece of wire, cut it, splice it, whatever the correct terminology is. Boom, boom, money. Repeat. Take your butt connector for the other one. I like to twist it like I said. Make sure everything connects. Bada bing, bada boom. Put this on the inside. And don't be a spaz like me. Alright. Make sure when you crimp them, you get a good squeeze on them. Alright. Take my music. Turn it on. Take the wires, make sure everything works. That one. Which one is it? This one to the bigger one. Turn it up. Geez, what happened to the issue? I think I found out how I want to run it. Alright. after you connect the wires, make them longer to get quick connects, and we're gonna crimp them to the wire. So after you do the one, just repeat the process and get ready to hook up your new speakers. Alright, so since those are all hooked up and you got the connectors right there, unlike factory, these tabs go inside the door like so. So you can't connect. There's the problem. So what you do is pull this sheeting off, and then there's a little hole down in there where the window would go. Just take the wire and feed it down that hole. Alright, for the backs, same thing. Inside this door handle. Aha, maybe that's what happened. Took this one off. Okay, door handle, inside here. Inside. Boom. That's really weird. That comes off. Poor design. Poor. That one comes off, but the other one doesn't come off. So take that screw out, take the screw out. Same thing again, 3 bolts, or 3 screws. So let's take them out. So we got one up top, bottom right hand corner, can't see, that's in the way. Right hand corner, and then straight below it. Let's take them out, put the new ones in. Alright, took all 3 screws out, take the speaker, should just pull it out, boom, like that. A little aggressive. And then just take the clip and undo it from the speaker. Might have to put the camera down for this one. And this one looks like it's long enough to where we don't have to splice wires, make them longer. Luckily it's right inside the door. All we have to do is put a new quick connect on it, and boom, money. Repeat the process. Have your quick connects with your crimpers. Have your dikes. Take it, expose these wires, so we're gonna cut it. I'm cramped behind the seat. God damn. 1 and 2. Money. Alright, so with these, we're just gonna do the quick connects onto these wires, crimp them. But before that, we're gonna turn the car on, play some music. Like I said, I didn't read which is negative, positive in the wires, so you can hear a difference if you wire them up backwards or whatever. Not that worse, but you want the good sound, you can always do that, and you'll definitely hear a difference in quality. So let's do that. So we're gonna grab our quick connects and crimp them. Boom. Done. It's did. Oh, another thing, take these plastic tabs out. Make the speaker sit so much more flush. These little things, it's where the factory speaker screws into. Ooh, that's a good sound. Alright. So we finished the install. Everything very nice. This is my first time hearing it being finished. Let's see. Let's hook up my Bluetooth, hooked away. Bluetooth hooked up. Audio. We'll do some non-copyright music. Oh, I said non-copyright music. Alright. Turn this down, hold on. Well, alright, we'll do the same song, Hellcat. I'll listen to this music. If my radio wants to work. That's cool, take your time. anybody has this issue on their 15 up WRX STI, please let me know. So look, I got the music playing, it's connected. Look at that. You can see it moving, 9, 10, but it's paused on my playlist. I don't understand. Let me pause this, I'll come back. Alright, couldn't figure out what to do, so restarted the car again. Let's try this for the 15th time. I swear, man, these radios are terrible. I can't wait to swap this out next. Ay, ay, ay. See what we got going on. Okay, I'll wait. Come on, there we go. Bluetooth. Should be connected, but we'll connect it again. Connected, I believe. Aha, there we go, baby. Nothing like a good old YouTube ad. Same song. Oh, another ad. Oh, baby. Sounds a little better. Just playing around with the settings, but yeah, that's my install for you guys. Wasn't the best, but got it.